Thank you so much. I'm your brother's regret. It is important to point out that Asari Dokubo represents a mirror with which we'll take a closer look at who Tinubu is. We'll take a closer look at the presidency of Nigeria today. You see that hatred which Asari Dokubo is projecting, as all can see from his video, that is actually the true nature of the presidency as of today.
Do you know your roots? That you talk to me. You don't know that people own this calabar. You are law abiding. Igbos, I don't know them. I don't know where they come from. Because I know that if not for British intervention, I will still be selling them. The way my father sold them. No, look at you people in Igbo land. Look at how you are dying. Woto. You are talking. You will do video to sell that Elijah has run away. You don't see me? I don't run. Look here now. You don't see me? I don't run. On our head, no correct. On our head, no correct. The bill is done and they look for who go finish on them. Look for now everywhere, finish on them.
You can see the hatred. You can see the wickedness. You can see the bitterness that flows in the heart of Asari Dokubo for no justification whatsoever. That is a perfect picture of the presidency of today. You can see what the Igbos are passing through. The only time Sanwo-Olu knows he will pull down properties belonging to the Igbo race is at this state. This current situation Nigeria is facing. He forgot that there is time for everything. When you consider the mood of the nation, why would Sanwo-Olu be pulling down properties belonging to the Igbo race for whatever reason? The timing is wrong. He was supposed to know that the timing is wrong. But they are insensitive. They don't care. They don't care. That's why there is organized action against the Igbo race. It's more or less like an organized crime being coordinated by the presidency. That's why Asari Dokubo will be giving an exalted seat in Asorok to Grand Press interview. So, it's a pity that a government that is just 3 weeks in office is presenting a very bad image of themselves. An image of hatred, an image of wickedness, an image of divisive tendency. A government that should be busy trying to unite Nigeria have been taking action consistently to create division in Nigeria. And they are not explaining anything. They are not offering any apology at all. Ordinarily, government ought to be offering apology to what El-Rufai said and say, look, it's not true. Government ought to be offering apology to what Asari Dokubo said. But they are not interested. They do not care. They believe they can take everybody for granted and nothing will happen. But it's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. So, we have seen what to expect, what we are to expect from the presidency. So the impression being created is that this government is not for the Nigerian people. It's not for all. It's for a carefully selected group of people. That's why a people group will be threatened. And after so many days, the presidency is still silent because they had passed a message that what Asari Dokubo said is actually the position of the presidency. Because if it's not the position of the presidency, something ought to have happened by now. What El-Rufai said is the position of the presidency. If it's not the position of the presidency, something ought to have happened by now. At least to offer useful explanation and encourage the Nigerian people to still have faith in Nigeria. So, let the presidency reflect again. Are we going to use Asari Dokubo as a mirror to see the true image of those in Aso Rock? That is the question.